Hello and welcome back to Trigonometry Practice 2. Now in the first question we have a triangle and we're asked to find C and D. However, we only have one value for the triangle, which is the hypotenuse at 85 centimetres. However, the hypotenuse line has been extended with the dotted red line and we have the angle between that and the triangle, which is 130 degrees. We know that as this is a straight line, this angle is going to be 180 degrees. Therefore, theta inside the triangle is going to be 180 degrees take 130 degrees, so this angle is 50 degrees. So now we can work out C and D using the trig functions. Now C is the side that is adjacent to the angle 50 degrees, so we can use the cosine function. So we have the cosine of 50 is equal to C divided by 85. Now if we find the cosine of 50 on our calculator, we'll get the value 0.643. So C is equal to 0.643 times by 85, which gives us 54.7 centimetres. Then to find the side D, we'll need to use the sine function because D is the side that is opposite the angle of 50 degrees. So the sine of 50 is equal to D divided by 85. And if we find the value of sine for 50 on our calculator, we get 0.766. So D is equal to 0.766 times 85, which gives us 65.1 centimetres. In the next question, we're asked to find the values E and F, but again, we only have one value, which is the hypotenuse at 7.8 metres. We do, however, have the angle from the triangle to the line that is extended from the hypotenuse, and that's 120 degrees. Therefore, we can work out theta. So theta is equal to 180, which is this angle, take away 120, so it's equal to 60 degrees. Now the side F is adjacent to theta, or the 60-degree angle, so we can use the cosine function. So we have the cosine of 60 is equal to F divided by 7.8. Now if we work out the cosine of 60 degrees on the calculator, we can see it's 0.5. So F is equal to 0.5 times by 7.8, which gives us 3.9 metres. Now E is the side opposite the angle 60 degrees, so we can use the sine function, and the sine of 60 is equal to E divided by 7.8, and if we work out the sine of 60 on our calculator, we get 0.866. So E is equal to 0.866 times by 7.8, which equals 6.75 metres. So I'll end it there. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next practice video. Meanwhile, if you got any value out of this video and you could hit that like button, I'd really appreciate it, and subscribe for more videos like this.